With 4 stars of liquidity and a weak positive correlation with the SPY, could Disney be your next bullish play? Hi everybody, it's Neil here with Option Theory. It is July 7th, 2020, and I've got, I guess, a fun one here for you technical analysts, of which I am not. So on screen here you can see Disney. That's going to be our cherry bomb trade, first one for the week. And I want to point this out. So you can see here, this is going to be our break even for the trade we're building out today. And for you technical analysts, I believe one might be able to argue that this could be a head and shoulders, right? And that might be a bearish signal to you. And look, here it came down, but oops, it bounced, right? And it bounced off of what you could say is support. I should say previous resistance, excuse me. See, there you go. Previous resistance could now become new support. That's one of the things that technical analysts, I think they say. However, you could even make the argument that this here was a shoulder, head, and shoulder, right? So head and shoulders. And then after that, it went up. Is this the head and shoulders that brings us down? So we're going to be putting on a trade that also involves the fact that earnings are coming out soon, right? And the cherry bomb email today talked about how Disney is feeling some different forces due to things like Netflix and all that other stuff, and movie theaters and amusement parks being closed. If you are interested in getting those kind of details, of which I don't cover, but do come from Tasty Trade's email blast, head on down below to the description. You can grab their emails or sign up to receive their emails, not from me, but from them, where they give you all the details and then some. And here on camera, what we do is we put these trades on and we build out a cherry bomb portfolio. You are invited, of course, to join us by hitting that subscribe button, right? Okay, so let's take a look at the details. Let's build out today's cherry bomb trade. So head over to that Analyze tab, click on Add Simulated Trade. We're going to be in the August 14th weeklies as of today. Remember, it's July 7th. We have 38 days to expiration. On the put side, we're going to scroll to the 109 put. I'm going to right click and choose Analyze a Sell Trade and choose a vertical. It's going to build you trade down here, and I'll bring this up to center it a little bit better. It's going to be $1 wide for you, but we want to make the long strike the 107 and the short strike the 109, the short put I should say, right? So in here we're looking at while it's $2 wide, a 67-cent credit on this one. That looks good. So we can understand that 67 minus, take that away from 200, and we're going to be looking at, see, confirming and sending here. Maximum profit of 67. We'll look to manage it, right, when it gets to 50% of that credit. Take it and run. Our maximum loss would be 200 minus that, which is $133. But before I send that order, I'd like to go to the risk profile to understand our probabilities. So what I did is I made sure it was set to expiration up here. Okay, that's going to give us this expected move. We can see most of this expected move is above our break even, which is what we want. This is a bullish play in Disney, right? And then the other thing I do is I come here, I set slices to break even. That shows us that our probabilities, and I just messed that up. Go back over here. There we are. We're looking at a 67. We could round up to say 68% probability of breaking even or better, aka profiting, right? And then what I do is I come over to hit set slices to chart. Click on this leftmost square here with a bracket around it, and that's going to set to the chart of this red line. So you can see, hey, as long as it stays over this line, we're headed towards profit. All right, everybody. So let's go back to that one. Nope, there it is. I'm going to right click that guy, choose confirm and send. We've already reviewed these details. I'm going to hit send. That pops it over to our monitor tab, right? And if it fills, what we can do is enter this into our new Trello trade journal, which if you haven't seen, I'll put a link to that in the cards up above, and you can head on back there and see how Trello might be a nice visual tool for you to help you manage your trades, because to me, that's where the real skills, and that comes where we are going to differ the most is where and when and how we manage. I think that's where we really put our theories to the test. All right, everybody, thanks so much for joining. If this is the kind of thing you like, and maybe I've earned your like today, would you hit that like button? And if you're interested in doing this daily with us, hit that subscribe button and ring that bell. Really appreciate you stopping by and giving us a view. I'll see you in upcoming cherry bombs. Bye for now.